I'm gonna teach you how to change DPI on your Redmi 12. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily customize the DPI of your Redmi smartphone. I'm gonna be talking about the Redmi 12 specifically, but this process should also work with any other model that you have. In order to do this, you have to access the settings, and if you are already a developer, then you can skip ahead. But if you still need to unlock developer settings, go into the settings and then access About Phone. When you go here, what you have to do is repeatedly tap on the MIUI version. So just keep tapping on this over and over and over and over again. You will get a message telling you that you have become a developer. These are essentially some additional settings that they lock behind the secret menu. So all that you have to do is tap this option here, MIUI version, over and over again until you get the message that you are now a developer. With this done, you can now go back into the settings, go all the way down, and then access additional settings. Inside of additional settings, one of the categories, if you did everything properly, will be developer options. If you are still confused about how to unlock this, search a separate video on the subject. Once you go inside of developer options, there will be a lot of stuff. You can ignore most of it and just keep scrolling all the way down. You will have to most likely be at around this part here on the scroll. And eventually, you will find this option here, smallest width. All that you have to do now is change this value. You can increase it or decrease it accordingly. I recommend trying out 600 and seeing if you like it. For this video, I'm not going to give you any particular recommendations besides 600, so just keep that in mind. Experiment with this setting until you find a value that you like. Try having a DPI bigger, smaller, and everything will be saved. And you can change it whenever you wish by going over to the developer options and finding smallest width. I hope I was able to help you on how to change DPI Redmi 12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.